Imagine this. You're standing outside on a normal day. The wind is calm, the sun is warm, the world feels still, too still. Then suddenly everything stops. Not you, not time, but Earth itself, the ground beneath your feet. The planet has stopped spinning. What happens next will be the most violent event in human history. Right now, as you listen to this, you're moving, even if you're standing perfectly still. The Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. Every city, every ocean, every person, all of us, are spinning through space together. So if the Earth suddenly stopped, everything not nailed down would keep moving. Cars, buildings, oceans, you would be thrown eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. Within seconds, cities would be flattened. The atmosphere itself would rip across continents like a super hurricane. The first few seconds would be chaos. Winds stronger than any storm in history would sweep the surface. Skyscrapers would crumble. Oceans would rise into the sky, giant walls of water smashing into continents. The eastern coasts of every landmass, from America to Asia, would be obliterated by tsunamis kilometers high. And the western sides? They'd be hit by scorching winds and debris from destroyed cities. Within 10 minutes, most of human civilization would be gone. If somehow you survived, you'd find yourself in a world divided in half. One side of Earth would face the sun, locked in endless daylight, burning hotter than any desert. The other side would be in eternal darkness, frozen like Antarctica. The temperature difference would create hurricane-force winds forever, raging along the twilight line, the narrow zone between day and night. This would become humanity's only habitable area, a strip of twilight circling the planet, the last refuge of life. Without rotation, the oceans would move toward the poles, piling up massive polar oceans while the equator dries out into vast deserts. Meanwhile, the magnetic field that protects us from deadly solar radiation would slowly fade. Solar flares would burn through the atmosphere. The sky would shimmer with strange, deadly auroras. Radiation levels would skyrocket, killing off most plants and animals within years. Months after the stop, the atmosphere would stabilize, but at a deadly cost. Volcanoes would erupt due to the massive stress on Earth's crust. Earthquakes would reshape continents, and time itself, the rhythm of day and night, would be gone. Our entire concept of a day, sunrise, sunset, sleep, work, would vanish. Humanity would have to rebuild society from scratch, underground or in climate-controlled domes within the twilight belt. Scientists predict we'd only survive if we developed advanced technology fast enough. Artificial light farms, deep geothermal cities, and radiation shields. Some humans might try to migrate permanently into space, orbiting the frozen planet in stations, watching the Earth that once gave them life, now standing still forever. And yet, even in the darkness, humans would adapt, because that's what we do. Maybe the real miracle isn't that Earth spins, it's that it keeps doing so, perfectly balanced every single day. If it ever stopped, even for a second, everything we know, everything we are, would cease to exist. So next time you feel the wind brush your face, remember, it's not just air, it's the sound of a planet in motion, keeping us all alive. What if one day the Earth did stop? Would we survive or vanish in a single moment? Tell us your thoughts below. And don't forget, subscribe to Imagine This for more mind-bending what-if stories every week. Because sometimes the scariest questions are the ones that feel almost possible.